Definitely well above 2, and when you look at the temperatures today, another warm one out there.
It was a 10 out of 10, in my opinion, for the entire coastline. Tomorrow, by the way, will be similar. So just because you see that rain probability on your app, that's why you tune into us, so that way we can break down where that probability is highest. So, for example, right now, if you're inland, that's where we have those showers and storms developing once again. Glades into Hendry, same story as it's been really the last couple of days. Tomorrow will be a rinse and repeat. Hendry and Glades, again, are focal points for those developing showers and storms. But I do want to point out, for now, severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for our inland communities, but thankfully we don't have anything strong or severe to track for you. And this downpour here that earlier was near Palmdale continues to weaken, no longer producing lightning strikes right over Montura here in central Hendry County as it works its way off toward the south and east. Otherwise, conditions are quiet right now on our live radar. So partly cloudy skies expected for the vast majority of us this evening. Temperatures gradually dropping out of the 80s into the upper 70s at 9 and 10 o'clock, into the mid 70s by 11 and midnight. Weather headlines, just as I mentioned, the best chance for those isolated showers and storms this evening will be farther inland, Hendry into Glades. That's going to be the case again tomorrow. Then Friday, things change up a bit. We'll start to see our winds shift, and because of that, more of us will be up for the potential for some scattered rain. Unfortunately, it could impact some outdoor plans afternoon and evening hours. Of course, we'll continue to fine tune that as we get closer, but just want to give you that heads up for your Friday. Heading into Saturday, few storms expected, but as of right now, Sunday definitely looking like the wetter of the 2 weekend days. So my advice, make plans for Saturday, but be prepared to pivot just in case. So for this evening, best chance for those storms staying away from the coastline. Charlotte, Collier, Lee, up toward even Sarasota counties, we're going to stay dry. Then overnight tonight, we'll be starting off with lots of sunshine for your Thursday morning. It'll be another muggy start, though. Similar to this morning, we'll be hovering right around that 70-degree mark, so it's definitely going to be a humid start. And then for the afternoon, those warm southerly winds keeping those dew points elevated, but with those winds becoming southwesterly again for the afternoon, that will keep the potential for those isolated storms east of I-75. So we could see a couple of downpours, DeSoto, inland Charlotte, inland Lee, up toward northern Collier, back toward Hendry and Glades. But for the coastline, if you're on the western side of 75, I'm expecting dry conditions once again. Same story as we look ahead to your Friday morning, right here at 3 a.m. If you're traveling overnight, we're going to be dealing with that potential. And then for your Friday, you just want to make sure you have that rain gear close, as more of us will be up for that chance for some spotty showers and storms later in the day. But overnight tonight, partly cloudy, humid. We'll start off around 70 degrees. As for tomorrow afternoon, best chance for those inland storms will be for Glades and Hendry. Friday, scattered storms on tap, and then look ahead to your Sunday. That's when that 60% rain chance pops into the mix as a cold front moves through and clears out by Monday morning.